How's it going, guys? So today we're out here at this nice little creek. So this leads into the Susquehanna River, which we're also gonna be fishing after this. It's looking a little shallow, so I don't know if there's gonna be any fish here, but we're gonna give it a try. But you know, before we start today's video, I do want to show you a statistic over here. So 95% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you hit the subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Place a bet. Will there be fish in here or will there not be fish in here?
There will not be fish.
Oh, big one. Oh, hit it. Nice smallie. We're gonna follow it in. Smallmouth. I got him. It might be a trout, Oh, dang, it hit it. You're wrong. But there's one, there's a ton. He's on it. There's two of them. Hit it, bud. Oh. Is that a trout? I think it's a trout, actually. Hit it, bud, hit it. Oh my gosh, he wants it. Oh, it's so annoying. It's actually, guys, I hope you can see that on video. Nice little trout. Might try a fly gear on it. Hey, Adrian, watch out. Let me get this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to like grab this fish. Like just jump on it, okay? Just jump on this fish. All right, where's he at? All right. I don't see him. He's on it. Looking at it. Oh, he's looking at it. Looking at it. Look at that. Oh yeah, I had him. It's the big one too. It's a big one. He's on it. Oh, he bit it. He had it in his mouth. He's on it. They swim towards and they just go away. Maybe it's coming down a bit more. Yeah, it'll stop eventually. Try it out. Oh, he's on it. He like goes to it and then just turns right away. Right, is that what they're doing with yours too? Maybe they're bedding. Honestly, maybe. Like that guy right there, those are little suckers. Oh, trout! You see that? It's a trout right there. Oh, yeah. That's a little, two trout. It's just annoying when the fish don't cooperate with you for absolutely no reason. All right, we're approaching it. All right, well, look what we have here. Let's see this guy. I'll put a little fish. Some kind of shiner, but you get the idea though. Some kind of little shiner. Look what we're fishing with. That's pretty close. That's really close, actually. So, what was that?
This is a rock that I threw.
Oh.
Here, film my bait.
Yeah, you got another.
Small thing about mine's even better.
Even better. Oh yeah. But it is gonna be rocky. Gonna be a lot of snags, so just be careful. Fish it like fairly quickly. Yeah, it's like really shallow out this way. Like all this is like super shallow. Not even a foot deep. Try over here. Spooked something. Yeah, this is all really shallow over there too. Well, a little bit, a little bit. It's all super shallow. Yeah, nothing in here. Fish to the right, fish to the right. Yeah, I'm still feeling a lot about him. Going. Oh, he lost him. It was aggressive, whatever the heck it was. Where? Really? Oh, that's a fish! I didn't even realize I had a fish on that whole freaking time. Oh my god, it just shook its head at the last. Oh my gosh. Are you actually kidding me? Okay guys, well nothing really here. I did get those 2 bites earlier, but it's seeming really shallow today. The water levels are pretty low. So I think I'm gonna move on, go to a different spot, see how it is. All right. Going. Oh. They fight so well. Oh my gosh. Dude, they fight like so well. It's a smallie. Nice guys, first little smallie of the day. Fights so well in here. There you go, bud. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Oh my gosh. It's, oh my gosh, it's on my foot. It's on my foot. Holy crap. It's on my foot.
Grab it. Where'd it go?
It's my freaking foot.
That's a nice one.
Got him nice. Oh my gosh, he was trying to hide underneath my foot for cover.
Where'd it go?
Oh, that's terrifying.
What did it feel feel like?
It felt like a smallmouth bass trying to take cover underneath your legs. That's what it felt like.
You should have grabbed it.
I should have grabbed. I know. I probably couldn't have done that. Here's one. Oh, big one. Oh. Yeah. Good bass. Really good bass. Oh. Oh my gosh. He ran on my leg. Oh my gosh. He's stuck on my foot. He's stuck on my foot. He's stuck on my foot. Holy crap, guys. You see this, right? Oh my gosh. He's stuck on my foot.
Nice.
Look at that guy.
Oh, that's a big one. Let me see.
That's a really nice one, isn't it?
That's massive.
Dang. Look at the gut on that guy.
That's big.
Sick. Alright. See you, bud. Thanks for playing. Oh, he started off in between my feet. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, that's the weirdest freaking thing. Make sure to get too close to this guy's stuff over here. Oh. See, it's like buoy. Marking his territory. That one? Excellent.
Oh.
Oh, did you lose it? No, did it feel good?
No,
Yeah.
it wasn't fun.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Keep him down, keep him down.
Oh, what the?
Keep him down.
It's all your go.
Still want to bring him in. There you go. Nice job. Nice little guy. Very nice.
Let's get the release.
Alright.
Over the water.
Okay, the speaker's probably pretty muffled right about now. Sorry about that, guys.
Not bad.
Nah. Probably look decently cool. Moderately cool.